Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wise App. You will click on settings as you see and you will enter. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we click on Wise App and you will click here in this page. After that you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your